Hey there, it's Steve from Serious Keto, and in this video we are going to make a super easy, super quick dip that is very low carb and infinitely customizable. Whipped feta. Probably my favorite recipe videos to do are the ones that come together quickly and easily with not a lot of ingredients that then you, my viewers, can customize and make your own. An example of that was the salad dressing, the super duper easy salad dressing recipe. I'll link to it right up here just for your reference. Or the infinitely customizable keto crackers, which incidentally go very well with this dip, and I'll link to that as the end card to this video. So in terms of ingredients for this, it starts really simply with just 3 base ingredients. The first of which is feta. Now my advice to you is get the block feta in brine. It's going to whip up way more creamy than if you buy those feta crumbles. Plus, you can take that brine and save it and use it to brine chicken. Ingredient number 2, 1 packet of Philadelphia cream cheese. And the third ingredient for the base recipe is extra virgin olive oil. Now, if you just did those 3 ingredients, you could have a decent whipped feta. But after that, it really starts becoming creative time, where you can add whatever you want to customize your whipped feta. You could add some garlic, or some lemon. You could use red pepper flake, or harissa. And once it's done, you can garnish it with any number of things. It could be crushed walnuts or pistachios, green onion, parsley, sesame seeds, lemon zest. Boy, just talking about it makes me want to start making it. So let's start making it. I'm going to start by prepping some of my add-ins and toppings, beginning with the zest of 1/2 of a lemon. Then I'm going to cut this lemon in half and save that zested side. That way I can use that as lemon juice later on. Set these aside. Next, I have harissa to add a little spicy edge if I want it, and I do. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of harissa to a little bowl here, and to that I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Just a reminder, all of these toppings or add-ins so far are optional. So we'll set that aside until our dip is done. Then I have 1 clove of garlic. I'll cut the end off of that, smash it with the side of a knife, and peel it. Then we're going to throw that into our food processor, along with 1 tablespoon of olive oil and the aforementioned lemon juice. I do recommend fresh lemon juice, but if you want, you can use it out of a bottle. That's fine too. We'll pop on the lid and then pulse this a handful of times just to bust up that garlic a little bit. Next, we will add our cream cheese, 8 ounces or 226 grams. That's 1 standard package. I've got this cubed just so that it processes a little bit better. Then I'm going to add 12 ounces or 340 grams of feta cheese, which I'm going to roughly break up by hand. Pop on the lid once again, and I'm going to process this for about a minute or 2, scraping down the sides as necessary. Now this is somewhat creamy, but I would like to get it creamier, so I'm going to add 1 additional tablespoon of olive oil. Then I'll process this for another minute or 2. Visually, you'll be able to tell when it's nice and creamy, and this is now very nice and creamy. Check that out. It's practically like frosting. I'm going to transfer this to a bowl, and then I'm going to drizzle it with some more olive oil. Now I'm going to top this 4 different ways. The first quadrant, I'm going to do some of that lemon zest from earlier, along with some freshly grated black pepper. The opposite corner, we're going to do the harissa oil that we made. Then on this corner, I'm going to do some walnuts. Opposite corner, some sliced scallion. And now just to doctor up that other corner, we're going to put on some fresh parsley, and back to this corner with some chopped Kalamata olives. That is looking pretty enough to take a thumbnail picture for. In terms of macros, this entire bowl right here is just 5 total carbs. Now, I'm not exactly sure what I would call a serving size. I'm going to say maybe a fifth of it, probably less. But even at a fifth of it, then you're looking at 1 gram of total carbs, 41 grams of fat, and 11 grams of protein. That's pretty keto right there. But how does it taste? Let's see. We'll start with the cucumber. And I think I'm going to go in to where we've got these Kalamata olives. That combo, very yummy. I would also say probably do not add any additional salt to this recipe. It's plenty salty as it is. Next, I'm going to grab one of my infinitely customizable keto crackers and go into the lemon pepper here. That lemon, wowzers. It takes this to a whole nother level. Wow. I'm not sure how the other ones are going to top that. We'll grab some more cucumber and go into the one with the almonds. I was hoping to do pistachios. My grandson ate all of the pistachios. That was good. Definitely the most tame of the ones that I've done so far. And I can't remember, did I say almonds? If I did, I meant to say walnuts. Walnuts and parsley. And the final one that I'm most excited about is the harissa. That's good. I was hoping it would be a little bit spicier. Maybe next time I'll add a little red pepper flake into the actual feta whip. But all 4 of these I'm pretty happy with. All right, I've got my special taste tester here. Does anybody know what happened to my pistachios? No? Okay. So what flavor would you like? Would you like the one with black olive or with lemon? Oh, okay. Here we go. You gonna do it? Okay. What do you think? Good. It's good? Okay. We'll see what Grandma thinks. So I've got lemon, the black olive, harissa.
Lemon.
Lemon? Okay.
What's that?
Harissa.
We got to look at the camera. Here we go.
Good with that lemon zest. Very good.
Tell them, what do you think? How was it?
Good.
You like it?
Yes.
Are you going to want more?
More.
All right. Well, you can have some for lunch then. Okay?
Okay.
High five?
High five.
Thanks. And now it's your turn to play around with this recipe. You can use any of the add-ins or toppings that I discussed earlier. I think some other ones that might be good, you could actually chop up some cucumber and mix it in, or maybe some dill or mint. I don't know. If you come up with anything that you think is especially spectacular, let me know down in the comments below. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click that like button. If you're not a subscriber already, tap that subscribe button, then hit the bell to turn on all notifications. And if you'd like to help out the Serious Keto Test Kitchen, click that join button and see what memberships and perks are all about. Thanks for watching.